So up there, they're actually using double underlayment, double sheets of paper overlapping. So they will last for 30, 40, 50 years, hopefully. I don't have to worry about leak anymore. They actually found some bad spots with very thin plywood on one of the skylights, or maybe two of the skylights, and they did poor job. They did not actually nail the paper down, so that's what the roofer told me. They get ready to replace my fascia boards on my right hand side due to water damage. So they have the big pieces here. They also have the smaller pieces here. Fantastic. So this morning I have guys working on replacing my roof paper. So basically they're gonna be removing paper from the ridge down, basically from the right hand side of my home. And then they're gonna do maintenance and fix fascia board on the right hand side as well. So we have like 4 guys, 5 guys working right there. Replace, basically removing ties first, and then they're gonna take the old paper out and then put the ties back. We're gonna be using the tiles.